And my name is Trevor Codlin, leading on biodiversity side of the project. We have always maintained that this is an environmentally led project, and although the habitats on site will change quite dramatically, we are committed to delivering something really special to replace what is already there. We have been surveying the site since 2005, so we have a good understanding of the ecology of the site. We've recorded 13 species of bat, we've got reptiles on the site, breeding birds, and also dormice. And our mitigation and compensation strategy involves doing some quite significant enhancements to the Forestry England site to the north, which is Havant Thicket, and also doing some enhancements to the south in areas of land that we own. One of the key things that we want to deliver, and this is a really exciting bit of the project for me, is the delivery of a new wetland. The plan is to have an area of wetland along the northern edge of the reservoir. So this will be approximately 1 kilometre long. What we're going to have is a retaining bund which will separate the sort of main water body from this wetland, and then we're going to create 4 different wetland compartments which will provide a different range of habitats for different species. There are 4 areas of woodland on the site. We've looked at various options as to how we might save those areas of woodland, because through the consultation process with our partners, which include Forestry England, Natural England, Environment Agency and the Hampshire Isle of Wight Wildlife Trust, we talked about whether or not it'd be possible to provide 3 or 2 smaller reservoirs rather than 1 large water body and try and save the avenue. But unfortunately, there are 2 reasons why that can't happen. One is the best clay is located underneath the avenue. And the second is that if you did that, you then end up in a situation where you don't have enough water to address the needs for the future, for water supply for the future. The site is going to change, as we said, so what we're looking at doing is doing some extensive work to improve the quality of the woodlands in Havant Thicket to the north. And then we've also set up a grant scheme, and that capital grant scheme will provide some funding for conservation projects. So we're looking at identifying suitable sites where we would fund the planting of trees in those areas